Gene of Owner and Operator just put up to a customer's house in my neighborhood. Not because of EDDM this time, but because a referral from her lawn guy. And who's the lawn guy? My next door neighbor. So we're gonna go ahead and take a quick walk around this and show you what we got. All right, so in this house wash, they're only wanting 3 sides of the house done. This is probably the worst side. You can see how this is pretty bad. And we got this, so pretty black on this side, pretty black over here. I offered a concrete sidewalk and driveway wash. They said no, they just really want to stick to the sides of the house that's really bad. So that's pretty bad. And this side is pretty bad. So we talked about this. The reason why you tend to have a lot of organic growth in black like this is because if you can see, the sun is up there. We're not gonna shine into it, but the sun is that way. The sun is that way. And this is pretty shaded, which means this side never really dries out. There is a big old tree in the backyard, so the back never really dries out. This side does dry out pretty well. You can see some security cameras. They got it all lined up, so I gotta make sure I protect those, but we're not doing this, we're not doing that. Offered a concrete wash, did not want the concrete wash. So I soaked this side already. Doesn't look too bad. There's one spot up there, short lance. Can reach a little higher than usual. Can reach a little higher than usual. On to the other side. Remember, bottom to top. Bottom to top. Reason why bottom to top, you want to make sure you get underneath this lip right here. It is being eaten up. Eaten up. That's as clean as it can get. All I gotta do is rinse. That's getting clean. That's gonna take no time. But in the meantime, let's go soap up the other side, the bad side. This one. A little bit of pressure without too much pressure. Oh man, look how this looks already. Remember when you're rinsing, top to bottom, which is the opposite because you want to move all the trash and debris from the top to bottom. So if you were to go bottom to top, you're doing nothing but pushing it up. But if you go top to bottom, water travels with the least resistance. So if gravity is gonna help you out, allow gravity to help you out. Make sure you hit all this in here. Last thing you need is for dirty water to come out after you're gone and leaving a mark. one, even though it's my first story rinse. I use it for everything because it gives you the most volume of water in a jet. The second story rinse typically is a straight line, a little too rough. So I like the rinse with this. I love the rinse with this. Now I do have a habit of over-rinsing, just because I really don't want it to oxidize or anything. I do have a habit of over-rinsing. Once again, hit this, see all that dirty water coming out of there? Hit that. Look at this side. Clean. Clean as a whistle. We'll have to do a second treatment right there. That's no biggie. Pretty much fine. Quick walk around. Done. 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 Once again, did not want the front done. But the sides look pretty good. Look at that. Look at that. All there is done. My ant. All that is done. Back here is done. All that's done. And all this is done. I'm gonna do a little bit right there. That needs a little love. I think we are good. Most people don't know that you can actually still pull chemical through your wand and your machine, even if it's not running. Yeah. I've rinsed like that plenty of times. So let me show you what I mean. 5-gallon bucket at the very bottom. Wand should pull without my machine being on. See it? See it? So what I'm gonna do is go to the spot. So like I said, I forgot that spot right. It's a spot right there. Watch this. Well, let me wait for soap. Let's wait for soap. So we shoot at the corner like we said last time. Soap. Back up top. And spray. You see the suds. Get behind the camera real quick. Be careful. Yep. You see the suds. Got behind the camera. Give it a couple seconds. We'll be good to go. It's going away. Right there. And that's pretty much gone. Behind the camera. Pretty much gone. And guess what you don't hear? My machine. Pretty fun. Did take a little longer than usual. For some reason, I'm running into that big time, but I'll explain in the recap later on.